Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are doing the Worldwide Treats subscription box unboxing. Got the box right here. It's loaded with a whole bunch of snacks from all around the world. So we're going to try this out and see how it goes. It should be interesting to see some of what some of these are. So, and I'm going to put a try to put a card or link up the top here, and I'll definitely put a link down in the bottom of the comments in the description, and you guys can comment on this and see what you think about the different snacks. So let's get this going and see what we got here. Okay, got a little Danky for watering ladder. Let's put that over here, and here's our box, all the different stuff that we got in here. And alright, I'll try to open this big box bag first, which is kettlefish snacks, and this is from Korea, so that should be interesting. Kettlefish snacks. Pretty good. It's kind of like Crispix, you know, the cereal, with a little bit of a fish taste. So that is kettlefish snacks. So the next thing we're gonna try is, these look like they're cold. Hell, something flips. Looks like it's got coconut. So, and looks like it's got a little coconut, chocolate, white chocolate, and coconut. And so, not reading off of what they are right now, where it's from, because it looks like they got it closed, locked off here. Yeah. Alright. Wherever it's from, I'll find out later. I get to reading it better. We're going to open it up. Ooh. Got two stuck together, but there they are. Okay. Those taste alright. A little coconut flavored, like I said, a little chocolate. And next thing here is a little custard cake. And I don't see where it's from, but there we go, a little custard cake. I guess I should open it up where it says to open. Alright, let's see here. That is really good. That's custard cake. Sponge cake with rich custard cream. That's good. Alright. Here's a little cookie, margarine cookie latte. I'm guessing that this is from Europe, I guess. Probably the last two things are from Europe, as you can see. So we're gonna give this a little try, a little cookie. Let's rip it open here. Oh. Good cookie. Okay. Next thing we got here is seaweed, seasoned roasted seaweed, and I'm going, let's see, I'll figure out where it's from. It's from Korea, so it's seaweed, little seaweed snack. You can see the package. I'm going to open this up. And see what we got here. Oh yeah. There we go. Yep, little seaweed. I'm going to give this a try. Man. Interesting flavor. Don't taste bad. I just can't. Trying to describe the flavor, but well, I wouldn't eat it a lot, but it's not bad. Alright. And ooh, I guess this is another chocolate snack. Choco Smoky Classic Crunchy Cocoa Chewy thing, and it's a product of Serbia. So it's probably what the other one was from. So a little product of Serbia. So that's Eastern Europe. Let me open it up here. And pull one out. Yeah, look at that. Kind of like a, looks like a chocolate covered cashew. So that are kind of like a malt chocolate candy. So let's go on to the next one. A little wafer. Palmela wafer chocolate wafer. And let me see. I'm gonna have to get better, sit in a better lighting for this. I can't see where this is from. Can't make it out. Writing's awfully small in this package, but there it is. Or I should have held it up like that a little better. Alright. Boy. There. That's really good. Nice smooth flavor. Let me see. Yep. Can't tell where it's from, sorry guys. Another one. Ooh, this one looks like it's going to be coconut. It's by Nestle. This may be from the same place. I cannot tell where it's from, but there it is. Sorry about that. Or there. This is from Nestle. Little coconut thing. We're going to open it up and give it a little taste. Really good coconut flavor on that one. A little wafer candy. I'm going to think that this is probably, from the looks of the writing, somewhere in Eastern Europe. So I'm going to think that most of these are from Eastern Europe. And this one is from Korea. Oh, cookies or something. So I'm not really sure what these are. Look like little biscuits, chocolate biscuits. I'll open up the box. Got a little bag in here. And open it up. Alright. Okay, a little cookie, not too big. So, this has a little chocolate inside. A little chocolate inside, you can see. So, that's pretty good. Let's see, I'm almost done. So, another piece of candy here. Can't really tell where it's from, but it's probably Eastern Europe, something from close to Russia, looks like. You can see it. So we'll open. Ooh, it's a little chocolate with some cream in the middle. Yeah, a little chocolate with a little creamy center. That's good. I got a second one of those, so eat that one later. So this one looks from the picture something like hazelnut, sweet. Now I'm guessing this is from Italy, from the looks of it. So here we go. A little candy from, I'm guessing, Italy on this one. I don't know a lot of languages, but just from the web address it looks like it's from Italy. So let's give this a try. Yeah, this is chocolate covered well, it tastes good, but I can't describe it. But trying to think how to describe it. It's kind of like a caramel, but it's not a caramel. Kind of like the German chocolate cake. The outside of that covered with chocolate, kind of. And the other things I have here, which I'm not gonna. As you guys can see, I'll try these later. A little chocolate there, or candy, and some more candies here, different flavors. This looks like an orange flavored, and this one I'm guessing is strawberry. So, and I imagine that these are from Europe somewhere. Alright, I'll eat those guys later. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the this video. Comment below, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. I do taste test videos, cooking videos, adventures, hikes, sightseeing type stuff. Alright guys, well, I'll catch you guys later, and I'm gonna try some of this other stuff here. Alright. Ooh, they're little chewy candies. Little strawberry. Oh, that's the old European